So we actually get lots of feedback that the sim is really close to like real life, something that operators would actually feel. We get tons of feller buncher, processor operators coming on the sim, and they're always talking about how it's really close to real life, and it emulates a lot of the different motions that would go through. Well, my name's Harrison Smith. People call me Harry. This is our Tigercat simulator that we use to train operators, bring to different shows so people can try out new machines, maybe do new experiences they've never had before, cut down trees and stuff like that. I'm primarily the software developer, so I do all like the work on the visuals, controlling the machine. I build the machines from the ground up, so I'm pretty involved in a lot of the different processes. Basically, when we do machines, it's sort of like we take what we have from internally from the company, start porting it in different programs, get some 3D models and things like that. We reference our hydraulic sheets and things like that, so most of the parts in the actual sim are the same specs that you'd get on like technical drawings, and then we do a little bit of tweaking in between there to help bring it to a more lifelike experience and get it as close as possible to what operators would experience in the field. So we actually started, a couple of schools have reached out and purchased our sims in hopes to use them to train different people. Now, built into the sim, we do have training scenarios that we work with our field reps and also the people who are purchasing the product to create scenarios that might be valuable for new operators to know before going out in the field, or just maybe to help reinforce certain things. When a customer comes to us with a problem or something they think they want improved, we add it to our list of stuff, work on it, try and get it fixed or improve upon it, and then get it out there as fast as possible. But we're always willing to go back. That's the other nice thing about our sim, is since it's all done internally by us at Tigercat, we have that really strong customer support where we're always discussing with customers like, what would you like to see a training scenario for, or at trade shows operators may be giving us feedback and we note it down and go back and reiterate, improve, stuff like that. And we're always trying to make the sim better overall. Yeah, for sure. Well, if you're here or ever find yourself at the Oregon Logging Conference, come down to the Tigercat booth. We'd love to get people on our simulator, young or old, operators or non-operators, first times or 100th times. We always love anybody trying our sim. It's always good to get feedback and see the happy faces when people are on the sim.